Hello, this is Kyle with PaintLine, and this is an instructional video to assemble the Portable Jobsite Spray Booth from PaintLine. And I've pulled the components out of the carry bag and I've laid them out at the job site where I kind of think I want things to go. So this is a 2 meter by 2 meter cube, and I need to choose what's going to be the front and what's going to be the back, and how it's going to, I'm going to do the exhaust from that. So this I've chosen to be my front. All of these parts are the same, so it really doesn't make a difference until you start putting it together, and then you want to get the plastic liner in the right spot. I've chosen this as the side, so I have a little mid side connector that's going to support the liner that I put in there. And then this will be my back. So I've got a couple of attachments for the optional exhaust ventilation system. So let's get started putting it together.